Welcome to Top 5 Best Report. The best Caping Cot is probably one of the most innovative camping solutions I've come across. It's designed for adventurers who value both comfort and convenience in the great outdoors. This cot boasts a unique combination of durability, portability, and ease of setup, making it an ideal choice for campers of all levels. Whether you're a seasoned backpacker or a casual weekend warrior, this cot promises to elevate your camping experience. Number 5. Coleman Trailhead 2 Folding Cot. Introducing the Coleman Trailhead 2 Folding Cot. This cot is designed for easy setup and takedown, making it perfect for camping or accommodating guests. It offers a comfortable and elevated sleeping experience. The cot features a strong crossbar steel frame, ensuring stability and durability. It's built to last, providing reliable support for your outdoor adventures or indoor use. This cot can support up to 300 pounds, accommodating a wide range of users. It's designed to provide a secure and comfortable sleeping surface for adults. With dimensions of 73 by 35 by 17 inches, it offers ample space for a restful night's sleep. The cot provides a comfortable and supportive surface, allowing you to relax and unwind. The cot folds up compactly to fit in most car trunks, making it easy to transport. It's also convenient to store when not in use, saving you space. The Coleman Trailhead 2 Folding Cot comes with a 1-year limited warranty. This warranty ensures that you are covered against any manufacturing defects. What we like. This cot boasts a robust steel frame, ensuring durability and a high weight capacity. It's also designed for easy setup and takedown, making your camping experience hassle-free. If you are looking for a reliable and easy-to-use cot for camping or guest use, this is a great choice. What people say. Rock solid for me, a 220 pounds, gal, totally quiet when you shift, and easy to put together. Once the cot is set up, it is very stable and sturdy. It is very wide and it is very easy to open. Number 4. ABORON 28 Extra Wide Camping Cot. This camping cot includes a soft, detachable pad for added comfort. You can remove it for a more breathable surface in warmer weather. It's perfect for camping, traveling, or even just relaxing at home. Setting up this cot is incredibly easy, taking less than 10 seconds. Folding it away is just as simple, just hold the side frames and press down. It also comes with a convenient carry bag. Made with premium 1200D Oxford fabric, this cot is built to last. The double-layer design resists wear and tear. You can easily clean it with a damp cloth. With a 28-inch width, this cot provides plenty of room. It's great for camping, travel, or as a temporary bed for guests. The wider surface helps prevent you from rolling off during the night. The cot features a sturdy steel frame and a double-layer 1200D Oxford fabric. The crossbar is positioned to reduce pressure points, ensuring a comfortable night's sleep. This design provides a stable and supportive resting experience. What we like. This cot offers an extra-wide sleeping surface and comes with a detachable soft pad for added comfort. The quick open and easy fold design means you can set it up and pack it away in seconds. If you like extra space and comfort, especially for camping or home use, you should consider this one. What people say. Mattress is really comfortable and well made. Easy to set up and transport. Easy to set up with a firm base and a light pillowy topper that makes sleeping on it super comfortable. Number 3. MARCHWAY Ultralight Folding Camping Cot Bed, Gray. This cot weighs only 4.8 pounds and folds down to a compact size, perfect for travel. It easily fits into your backpack, making it ideal for various outdoor activities. Setting up this cot is a breeze thanks to its foldable aluminum pole structure. You can assemble it in minutes, and the disassembly is just as easy. It's designed for convenience. Built with aircraft-grade aluminum legs and ripstop nylon fabric, this cot is incredibly sturdy. It can support up to 275 pounds, and the wide feet prevent damage to the ground. The cot provides ample space, allowing your arms to rest comfortably. The design includes heavy-duty rods and anti-skid feet for a flat, stable surface, keeping you off the hard ground. Whether you're hiking, trekking, or just need a break, this cot is perfect. It's also great for indoor use, offering a comfortable rest wherever you go. Lighten your load and enjoy your travels. What we like. This cot is ultralight and compact, perfect for backpacking and hiking. It's also incredibly easy to set up and made with durable ripstop nylon. If you are a hiker or backpacker looking to minimize weight and maximize convenience, it's the perfect choice. What people say. Very easy assembly. Sturdy, lightweight and comfortable to sleep on. It packs small and is easy to assemble. Number 2. GETOVIN Camping Cot with thick pad. The pad comes vacuum packed, so it needs a little time to expand. After unpacking, let it sit for a few hours to reach its full, comfortable size. It's easy to set up and ready to use. Forget complicated setups. This cot unfolds and folds in seconds, with no tools required. It's perfect for guests, road trips, or even a quick nap in the office. The headrest is designed with a gentle incline, eliminating the need for a pillow. The thick, soft mattress ensures a comfortable night's sleep, free from neck or shoulder pain. Made with a sturdy steel frame and 10 support legs, this cot can hold up to 450 pounds. The double-layer Oxford fabric is strong, water-resistant, and easy to clean. Weighing only 14 pounds and folding down to a compact size, it's easy to carry. A built-in side pocket provides convenient storage for your essentials. Refer to the user manual for setup instructions. If you enjoy this cot, please share it with your friends. We hope you enjoy it. What we like. This cot boasts a high weight capacity and a comfortable incline design that eliminates the need for a pillow. It's also lightweight and easy to carry. If you need a sturdy and comfortable cot for camping or home use, this one is a great option. What people say. This cot is easy to assemble, it wasn't too heavy to pack in the car or to carry to our destination, and it was sturdy enough and comfortable to sleep on. The little side pouch was perfect to tuck away my cell phone and reading glasses. Easy to collapse and store. The only negative is you will want to vacuum seal the mattress as it doesn't store with the cot. Number 1. NESDCC Camping Cot with Mattress. This cot comes with a comfortable mattress. It can be used as a blanket or placed on the cot bed. You will not feel any pressure or pain, making it warm and comfortable. Setting up this cot is easy and requires no tools. You can quickly open and fold it. Just push down on the ends or the middle legs to set it up. The cot frame size is 75 by 27 by 15 inches. It can be stored in a small, portable backpack that is included. This makes it easy to carry and store. Made with a thick metal tube and 10 supporting legs with anti-skid pads, this cot is built to last. It can support up to 450 pounds, ensuring safety and stability. This cot is perfect for home, office, outdoor vacations, or as a guest bed. It's also suitable for children to sleep on overnight. It's a versatile sleeping solution. Refer to the user manual for detailed usage instructions. Add it to your cart now. If you're satisfied with this foldable cot, please share it with your friends. What we like. This cot includes a comfortable mattress for a better night's sleep. It's easy to set up and is built to be stable and durable. If you are looking for a cot that is easy to use and provides a comfortable sleeping experience, this is the one for you. What people say. It fits in my office, is not too heavy to manipulate, easy to open and close, no assembly required, and even a little side pocket. It folds out easily and setup is a snap. The cot was super easy and quick to set up. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.